Hey, buddy.
Hey,
What's the day?
the big day?
What are we going to do?
See the baby?
Yeah. Mommy had the baby already. She already had it. We're going, she's in the hospital still, and we're going to go see her right now.
Yay!
Okay?
But Dad,
What?
are we supposed to save the batteries?
No, the batteries are fine.
You charged them up?
All charged up.
Okay.
I already filmed the baby this morning. It's all good. Okay?
Can I see the film of the baby?
It's on my other camera. You'll see it when you get there.
Okay.
You're also going to see the baby.
Woo!
Yep. And you're going to get to hold the baby. What are you going to do when you see the baby?